Want to learn how to clear your search or watch history on Aliexpress app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this home icon on the bottom left corner. Tap on the search bar on the top. First of all, to clear your search history, you can see on the top these are all of the search history, and just in the right corner straight to search history you can see pin like icon. Tap on it. So if you're sure you want to remove all search history, tap on yes. So just by doing it, you have removed your search history. And now for your watch history, you need to go back and tap on this account on the bottom right corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on viewed below notification settings. You can see that it's currently enabled, and if turned off, your viewing history will be deleted and the recently viewed items list will no longer be available. Tap on the sliding bar on the right corner straight to viewed, and if you're sure you want to delete your viewing history, tap on confirm. So you can see that you have just successfully removed your watch history as well. Now you can enable it again and they will show you new viewing history. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.